UPPA violations, but that's reality on the streets. And we're going to voice that at the big conference, make sure the politicians know what's going on. UPPA is a violation of freedom of speech. But you can't talk about how you feel about your product price, or your costs are opinion or whether workmanship or warranty on a roof to a freaking adjuster who's got a business card that's breathing, never went through formal training on anything, never built anything. What are you talking about? The contractor is the expert on that property. He works with those materials, whether workmanship or warranty is his expertise. The policyholder attorney, the engineer, the IA, the desk adjuster,